Can you see my screen?
Not yet. We are seeing. Okay, good.
Okay. Yeah, now you are seeing.
Now we can see it.
You can see now. Okay.
Yes.
Now who will do what? Who will use SPRO? Who will use SAP? Tell me. Who is using SPRO? Who is using SAP? Tell me.
Okay. The SAP menu at the front end configuration user. Then the SPRO is the backend configuration, and the SAP consultant / SAP service provider.
Very good.
So,
Very good. Very good. Super.
but
Okay.
we are
You please.
saying there is a tie. There is a tie there.
Yeah. Correct.
Client company to
Yeah, there's a
SAP
tie-up.
consultant.
There's a tie-up. There's a tie-up. Very good. Excellent. Super. Okay, now you write down this. You write down this. You have time for
Okay.
writing down. You can write or you can take one screenshot and
Yeah.
keep yeah. So keep space in your notebook. Notebook. You are having all of you are keeping a notebook or you come as like that only.
Yeah. We have a notebook with us.
You have notebook, no? All of you, please have your notebook and start writing all these things. Whatever I am telling you, please write down. Or you can take a screenshot later on. You can write down. No problem. That's also okay. Which is
Thank you.
okay for you, you can do that. Okay.
I do take screenshots, chef.
Okay.
You can use your phone and snap. Later you write.
All right, that's correct. Thank you.
So what you do is in your notebook, keep some space, take a Photoshop, screenshot, then write down whenever you are free. Okay. Okay. Tell me once you have written, I will.
Okay, we've taken a snapshot. So you can
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, now what is your company's name?
Okay.
LNG.
No,
yes. Okay, I'll open it. What is your company?
Okay.
Company name.
Dover.
Huh? Spelling.
Okay.
DOVER.
DOVER.
Dover, yeah. Dover.
Dover. That's all.
Dover. FER. ER.
Dover.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, Dover. What is the full form?
Engineering.
Limited or private limited?
Limited.
Very good. Super. Okay, Dover Engineering Limited, correct? Okay.
Yes.
Now let us say this Dover Engineering Limited wants to go for SAP implementation. They want to load SAP. How they will do that? So here you see. Now Dover Engineering is this side. This is Dover Engineering. These people are Dover Engineering. Okay. This client is Dover.
Okay.
Dover. Just I have written D. D means Dover. Okay. And they want to implement SAP. Whom they will approach? They will approach these people here. See.
Sub-consultants.
Service provider. The service provider. Who are the service provider? Will come to that. So now let us say that there are a lot of service provider. Okay. These people will go to service provider. SAP service provider. Who is that? IBM. They will go to IBM. You are having in Nigeria, IBM is there?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, right.
IBM.
Very good. IBM. They will go to IBM. They will tell we want to implement SAP. So this Dover Engineering is now is client or company. Okay. Now as per SAP, they are known as client or company. And they will go to service provider IBM. So service provider, this IBM is service provider. Okay. Now this Dover people will ask, Dover management will ask IBM, please put SAP or please implement SAP in our system. How many days it will take? Tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
How many days it will take for implementation? They will tell, I want to use SAP. Dover will tell, I want to use SAP in my system, in my all server and all everywhere. I want to use. How many days it will take for implementation?
Okay.
Tell me. I'm asking questions.
No, wait, I didn't get that. I didn't get that clear.
No, no. Okay. Suppose Dover.
I don't know how many
Dover-
days it will take, but we can
Okay.
say
Okay. Let's
1
say
month.
1 month.
1 month. 1 month. 1 month. No, 1 month. 1 month, is it enough? No. It is more
1
than
year. 1
6 to
year.
8 months. See,
6
1
months.
year. Very
Okay.
good. Very good. Who told 1 year? Very good. Correct.
Now,
Yeah,
now
one-
work now, self lab.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So 1 year. It will take almost 8 months, 1 year, 1.5 years. It depends. Dover Engineering is all over world or only at Nigeria? All over multinational company, Dover.
Yeah, maintenance company.
Maintenance.
Multinational company.
Yes,
Multinational company. Okay. So Dover Engineering is a multinational company. Now this Dover Engineering, once they come to IBM, they will ask that we want to implement. They will tell you have to take it as a project, and it will take 8 months to 1 year, more than 1 year. It will take. Correct now. So now
Correct.
these two people, they will enter into a project. So project. What is the project name? SAP project.
Yes. What's up?
Okay, what is SAP? Means accelerated SAP. So like
Accelerator.
accelerated. You know, someone knows this.
Okay.
Accelerated SAP project. Okay. Now they will tell, will take as a project, and this is also known as implementation project. SAP implementation project. How many days? It will take roughly 1 year. Okay, 12 months. Correct. You understood now? Hello.
Yes. Yeah,
So
1 year,
1
1
year.
year, 1 year. Yes.
Yeah, 1 year, 1 year. So now you have to tell SSS, or otherwise I think you will. I'm telling, and you are. It is not reaching you. This is a communication problem. So please tell me that you are able to understand what I'm doing. Okay. So now we will. These people will tell we have to do a project. Okay. Now this SAP project will have 5 phases. 5 phases. 5 stages or 5 phases we can say.
Okay.
So what are the stages? I'll show you now. One sec. I will show you. Okay, 1 minute. Give me a moment. You are able to see my screen now?
Not yet. Okay. We can see it.
Okay, now you can
Yes.
see.
Yes.
So ASAP methodology is a very beautiful methodology. Very efficient and very optimized time. Means time is very, very well used. People are also well used and quality is excellent. So this is a very good methodology for implementing SAP. You understood now? So
Yes.
there are how many phases? How many phases? 5 phases.
5 phases.
1, project preparation. 2, business blueprint. 3, realization. 4th, final preparation. 5th, go live and support. You understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now, project preparation, what will happen? That will take almost 1 month. Almost 1 month it will take. This IBM people will make ready the project. Dover people will come and tell, we want to do that. So they will start preparing. They will ask Dover people that please send us your business, this one, all those business structure, like how you do the business model. We tell model, how the material comes, how it flows, everything they will ask. So they will start mapping it. They will start preparing the entire thing, like how, and they will also prepare a team. Team preparation will happen. Team will be given training, and there is one day they will say project kickoff. Project kickoff, no, that football you kick, no, the ball, like that. There's one day they will kick off. They'll start. Understood, no? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, so, okay. So they will start one day and they will decide, okay, this is the day we will start this. Okay. So that will start, and they will map all those technical requirements, everything they will map. So how many days it is over? 1 month is completed in project. The IBM people only will do, not Dover. Dover will not do that. IBM people only will do that. Now what will happen? Next stage. Next stage is that IBM people will come to Dover now. They will come physically. They will come. They will be coming to Dover. Nigeria, which city you are all you are belong to?
What?
Your city, place, town or city.
Okay. River State.
Oh, what is the spelling?
RIVER.
RIVER.
One sec. I'll just try to write down. I'm also learning now. I'm also knowing about all of you. So very interested. Okay. Okay. R
RI
I.
VER. V.
VER.
Yes.
Yeah.
S
Then
S.
S.
Ah.
State. Yeah.
Huh?
Rivers State.
Shift.
Rivers.
Spell
Shift button.
no
Shift.
reverse and
Okay.
shift.
State. No. State.
Oh, state. Okay. Reverse state.
Space.
Reverse state.
Yeah.
Correct.
Rivers State.
Yes.
Very good. Super. Very good. So there are a lot of rivers there. Okay. No problem. So okay. So you understood. So there are they will come to this river state. This is a place of city. This is a city. River state is a city.
Yes.
Okay. So this IBM people, they will come to river state to Dover and they will start capturing the data. They will completely take all the data. Data means information. The information they will take plant maintenance information. They will take material management information. They will take
Event.
financial information. Everything they will start collecting. They will only collect that. In collection itself, it will be almost 2 to 3 months will be over. So every module will come and start collecting, and they will be collecting. They will be reviewing that. They will also be doing whether they have done the correct data or not. So all those things will happen in business blueprint. You understood now?
Yes.
Okay, right. Now the business blueprint, once the IBM people now almost 4 months is over, here on 3 months, here on 1. Then they will come back to IBM, return back to IBM. Then they will start configuring the data, configuration. So this configuration is what I am going to teach you. This is the stage I am going to teach you. I'll also take up this also because I'll be assuming this is ready. So I'll be teaching you the realization phase. Understood now? So this is the phase where we'll do the configuration. We'll start putting the data in the system. On SAP now server, everything will be putting the data. We'll assume this data, the business blueprint will assume. Okay, then we'll start doing it. You understood now this point? You understand now? Okay, now this will take another 3 to 4 months to putting the data completely. And this data will be put in a server known as, there are different servers. So all those implementation data, the data will be initially in a server known as design or development server. Okay. So this is the first server. All this data will be there in the design or development. You understood? Now what will happen in this stage? In this stage, all this realization phase, all the data will be there, and then they will check. They will check whether the data is okay or not. So a lot of checkings will be there, at different level checkings will be there. Then what they will do, they will migrate this data. The data will be migrated. Will be migrated to another server. To now testing and quality server. Okay, who will be doing this one? There will be testing and quality team will be there. There will be separate team. Like implementation team, there are a lot of people will be there. Like that, there will be testing and quality people also will be there. They will start checking. Once they start checking and they will tell, okay, everything is fine. There is no problem. Understood? No? You are able to understand? From one people will prepare, another people will check. In your company also, there is a quality department. No?
Yes.
Quality department will check. So like that here also, there is a testing and quality. Yeah, quality assurance. So that they will tell, fine, everything is perfect. Now what will happen? Here we will come. Now we'll come to this side. So we'll go to this server now. So what will happen? All this data will be in realization phase and the testing and quality is completed. Then the data gets migrated to where? Final preparation. Final preparation, the IBM people will go back again to Dover. And then Dover people, they will ask, you please check. Okay, we'll complete now. One by one module, they will start completing it. So that completion or we complete trimming we call, that is cutover activity. Can you see? There is one cutover activity. Okay, cutover activities. So cutover activity means we are completing. One plant maintenance completed, they will cut it over. Means they will say it's over, complete, finished. then they'll go to some other module. Like that, one by one, one by one, one by one, they will start completing it. The IBM people will go to Dover, and Dover people also will be there, and they both will sit and they will be completing that. They will tell everything we have done, you please check it. So those the Dover people will, Dover team will be checking it. Correct? You understood? No? So then what will happen? They will also be giving training to the Dover employees. Dover people, they will be giving the training. How to use SAP, how to do that, everything they will be training. At that time, the Dover people, means Dover team can say, we are not satisfied. We want extra. Whatever you have given is not enough. Possible, no? So they can say, we are not satisfied. You won't please give me extra. There are some things which you have not covered. There is a plant maintenance methodology you have not covered. So what that is, we say that is user exit. User exit is a specific requirement by the client company. Okay, they will ask that this is what we want. So what will happen in final preparation? The Dover team will present, and IBM people will tell, fine, we'll do that also. Then again, they will do that business blueprint and realization. That again, the circle will go. So again, they will come back and say, we have completed. Now you please check again. So again, that will be checked. Once the Dover management or Dover team is satisfied, then only final preparation will be ending, completed. Final preparation, there will be sign off. They will be signing off. We will sign, no, that it's okay like that. They will sign it. You understood the process? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so once they are giving to the final preparation, so there is one more server which comes into place. That server name is, say now it will come to final preparation. Final preparation. So this server will be migrated again from testing and quality. It will go to production server. Okay, it will go to production server. Where the production server will be there? In Dover. Okay, this all was there in IBM. Understood? Now we'll go to Dover. Now what will happen? They will say this Dover team is completely satisfied. They will tell, fine, we can go for now implement, complete, live. Live will go. Everyone let them use. Initially only some few people will be using, and now they will go to live support. They will declare one day and they will go live. So almost it will take 1 year. So they will go live and they will start giving the entire access. Now server access is given to everyone, no? Like you have been given, like that they will give. They will say you try, it's okay or not. Again, there will be some checking and that SAP will be implemented. You understood the SAP implementation part? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I understood. No? So now we'll come back here. Any doubts you can ask me. Okay. Now we'll come here to this. Now we have completed the SAP implementation. After SAP implementation, this job is over. This job is completed. Now only this is remaining. Here what will happen? There will be two types of users. One is a power user and one is an end user. Power user can do the front end configuration, but end users can't do anything. Nothing they can do. They can't do anything. They can only see. That's all. Only they can see. You are able to see your all screens in SAP in Dover.
Yeah. Yeah, we can see. I just end users. You cannot make use of it.
Yeah, you are end user. Correct. You are end user. Now tell me what I am going to teach you, all of you. What is that I am going to teach you in my class? That complete another 2 months. No, what I am going to teach you? I am going to teach you backend configuration, SPRO, SAP consultant role. Then I'll also be teaching you SAP menu, front end configuration, end users, power user, end user. That means that entire thing I'll be completing it in my class. Correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, so entire thing I'll be teaching you. You understood me now? Okay, so now we'll close it here. Now we'll come to this one. One sec. Just give me one moment. One minute. I'm just opening that file.
Mr. Madam.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, sorry. Where you just concluded now is SAP consult.
One sec, Mr. Kingsley. There is no sorry. You are free to ask.
Okay.
Please ask, no problem. You have the right to ask. There is nothing wrong in that. Tell me, what is that question?
Kingsley, talk.
No, tell me. You wanted to ask, no? Please tell me.
Okay. Okay. I want to be sure that you just concluded on SAP consultant service provider aspect.
Yeah,
Am I
correct.
sure?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. You are right. You are right. You are absolutely right. Okay, so I'll just open that one file is there that I'll open it. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Okay. I'll just share this file with you. Now, are you seeing?
Okay.
Yeah, so write down chapter number 1, first chapter. Chapter number 1, right now. And write down the complete chart. That you don't take snapshot, you write down because I want you to write. Here, see here, this, you don't put this, okay? You block this. 1 minute, I'll just, you don't write this. Okay, you don't write this. 1 sec, I don't know why the color of pen. You block this. You don't write down this. Okay, you write down. Don't write down this. Keep it empty. Okay, put the bracket and keep it empty. Don't write this. Okay, don't write. We'll start our writing. We will create. Okay. Okay, this you can write. Create control area 1000 you can write. Other things you don't write. You keep bracket. Big bracket you keep it. Write down this and tell me. We'll start filling it up. That is chapter number 1. Chapter number 1.
Okay.
You write down and tell me. Write down and tell me.
Okay.
Once you complete, you tell me.
Good. Credit control area 1000.
1000 you write, no problem. 1000 is not a issue. Other things you don't write. Means inside bracket. You write on plant 1, so like that you write. But don't write. Just keep the bracket open. Don't write anything inside the bracket. I marked in black, no? So don't write that.
Okay. Plant 1. Storage. Location. 1. Okay.
Once you write down, write down and tell me.
If you are done, just signify, please. I'm done.
I'm done too. I'm done too. But which is number 1? That is client company, right?
Yes.
Client company. That you are not able to see. You are not able to see.
No, you're seeing. I just want to be sure of number 1, 2, 3.
Client company is number 1. Then below that company code. Then below that plant. Below that
credit
storage
control area.
That below that sidewise credit control area. Then plant 1. Then this side maintenance planning plant. Then storage location. Then purchasing organization. All this, that arrow we have made like that. No, please write down like that one. You want arrow, I will thicken the arrow, or is it okay? You are able to see? Hello?
Yeah,
able to
we
see?
will too.
Yeah, and write down the chapter title, organizational structure, like that you write down. Chapter 1,
Yeah.
organizational structure.
We've done that.
Chapter 1, organizational structure.
That is under which client company?
No, title of the chapter,
Okay.
chapter title.
Okay, organization
After
structure.
that, you write down this chart, client, company code, plant.
Yes.
Don't write plant 1, you write down plant, that's enough. And storage location also, don't write 1 and all. You can write down just storage location.
Okay.
Then maintenance planning plant.
Okay.
Once you write down, tell me, and we will start discussing on this. We have to discuss. Correct?
Okay, please, if you are done, let's signify. Yes.
Pardon?
If you are done writing.
Yes, done.
You have written? Okay. Once everyone done, we'll start. Everyone complete?
Rukewe. Alhaji Mukhtar.
Yeah, I'm gone. I finished writing.
Alhaji Mukhtar.
I'm with you. I'm not actually writing. To be honest, I'm traveling, so I'm traveling. So
Oh,
just
no problem. No problem.
I'm not writing. Yes.
No problem. You can anyway. This video will be there with you. No?
Okay.
The video file will be there, so you can write. No problem. But everyone, please write because this is important. So that will, in case if you are traveling, you can't do anything. Okay. Write down. Yeah, write down.
You can proceed.
Okay. Shall I proceed?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Now tell me, what is a company? What is a company? What do you mean by company?
It's an organization.
Very good. Excellent. Company is an organization. Very good. It's an organization. Correct. You are absolutely.
It's a corporate group.
Absolutely right. Corporate group, company is organization. Someone I don't know who told organization. Correct. You are absolutely right. It's an organization. Correct. 100%. You are right. It's an organization. Okay. Now, company. See, I told you yesterday. I told you what is an enterprise. Enterprise is a business entity. Means wherever there is a business activity happening, that is a enterprise. And yeah, organized business is company, where everything happens systematically, where very organized. It is an organization where what all the resources been taken care properly, perfectly it is done. So that is a company. You understood? No? Company will have a company code, so that we'll discuss afterwards. Company and company code. Company code will put it, and company also will put it. Then okay. Then when I'm telling business, so I told no, company is a business entity. Correct? No, isn't it? I told business, right? Okay. Now, yeah.
That's correct.
Yeah. How many types of business are there? You tell me now. Only 2 types. Can you see? Only 2 types of business is there on the world. In the world, there are only 2 types of business. One is make, another is buy. Very simple. Make means doer. Doer is making this one. So they are doing making. Correct, no? And there is a buy type of company who will purchase. For example, imagine that you have smartphone, no, with you, smartphone, mobile. So suppose I am Samsung. Okay, I am manufacturing. Then I am becoming a manufacturing company. Suppose I am purchasing the mobile from someone else, putting some Samsung stamp, Samsung seal, and I am selling it. You will not know now. How you will know that it is not manufactured? So that is buying, trading. That is, you are purchasing and selling it. Lot of companies, they will do like that. They will do only the trading. They will do. Dell computers, you know that? Dell laptop, Dell computers. Dell is purely trading only. Dell, they are not manufacturing anything. You know that? Are you aware? Dell is not doing any. You are not knowing.
We are not aware of that.
You are not knowing. Dell is purely this one. They have got very good supply chain management. They have fantastic supply chain. So that is the reason they
It's
are able
not
to.
their laptop and all those.
Yeah, Dell laptop is like that only. They are getting from someone else and they are assembling and they are selling it. That's all. Okay, now in my class, what we'll do, we'll not take into this consideration. We'll not take buy. We'll take only manufacturing. That's all. Okay, understood. No?
Okay.
So that's very important. Okay, we'll close it. We'll not talk about manufacturing, trading. We'll talk only.
Sorry. Let me ask you something. Why do you have sales on the left side and sales on the other side?
No, I didn't understand.
Okay, we have
everybody
make.
sells their products now. Everybody sells, both the manufacturer and the trader.
Okay.
They will eventually sell their product.
All right.
You understood?
Yes.
You understood, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
so now once we are doing our class, we will talk about only this side, not this side. This side we will not talk. We will not bother about trading. We are only manufacturing. If manufacturing there, then only plant maintenance is there. No, otherwise how it will be there? So that's the reason. So we'll be talking about manufacturing only. Okay, in my entire class it will be manufacturing.
But Mr. Madam.
Yeah, tell me.
But you know, at some point you need to buy your parts and all that as to make your.
No, that's different.
Okay.
Huh? No, I didn't understand. What is telling?
I say at some point you buy raw materials, right? To make
raw material. Correct. You made raw material. Correct. For manufacturing, you have to get the raw material. Correct. You are going to get the raw manufacturing. No, you have to get the raw material. Then you have to manufacture it. Correct. So that is what. Yeah, trading is different. You are taking product itself. Suppose imagine that there is one company. This is Dell. Dell is there, no? Dell. What they are Dell? They are not doing any manufacturing. They are not doing. Suppose if you say Apple, if you see this one Microsoft. Sorry, not Microsoft. What I meant to say is Apple is there. Then who else is there? HP.
Samsung. Okay.
Samsung. They are all doing manufacturing. But Dell is not doing manufacturing. They are purchasing from third party. And they are selling it. That's all. They are assembling and selling it. You understood this?
Is it only Dell, or there are many companies like that?
Oh, there are so many companies. Not only Dell. In India, we have a lot of companies. They do that. They only do.
So what they do is that they just buy and put their own
they buy and sell. That's all. They buy and put their stamp. Now imagine that. Suppose for example, I want to open up one computer, laptop. If I say Kingsley laptop, okay, I'll say like this. Kingsley laptop is there. Okay, now Kingsley laptop, what I'll do, I'll purchase from HP. I'll put my stamp and give Kingsley laptop. That's all. So very easy job, no? You need not do any manufacturing. Only sales organization is there, and there is no maintenance. There is no material management. There is no nothing. Only FICO will be there and SND, sales and distribution. That's all. Very easy job, no? You take someone's this one and put your stamp and sell it. That is not there in Nigeria.
By manufacturing, okay.
Yeah, you are not there in Nigeria. I'm surprised. In Nigeria, also a lot of companies will be like that only. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, right. Okay, then we'll go to plant. What is a plant now? Tell me what is a plant now.
Can you go back to the last slide?
No, plant. What they do in plant?
Plant is where the production, the procurement, and the maintenance.
Yes. Can you go back to the last slide? Is that what?
Oh, I want to go back. One second. We'll go back to last slide. This one. Yeah.
Please, just to ask a question.
Tell me. Your voice is breaking. Not clear.
You're not clear, James.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
we struggle to hear you.
Okay. If you can hear me, just to understand the difference between make and manufacturing. Same thing. I'm not mistaken.
I think he said that we have two companies in the world, which is make and buy.
Buy, correct.
Yes.
Make and buy.
So under make we have manufacturing. What the company does make represent a company. what they do, they manufacture. Then buy means also represent a company. What they do, they trade. That's where he is.
Correct.
Sorry for taking us for thinking. Right.
Okay. No, see, if suppose in Nigeria you have this one laptop manufacturing unit is there? Laptop manufacturing in Nigeria? No.
We have
correct.
No, we don't have.
Oh,
Yeah, no. So I will do one thing. I will come to Nigeria. I know that they are not manufacturing. I will start purchasing a laptop from HP and I will sell as Madan laptop. That's all. Very easy business, no?
Okay.
I just have to purchase and put my stamp, and that's all I have to sell it.
so that's buy.
Yeah, that is buy. That is buy.
Okay. So I think sorry. See, if I want to understand something, make and buy, they are not companies. They are just people under
No,
business.
that are business models. They are not
Okay, yeah,
companies.
okay,
That is
okay.
a business model. How
Okay.
business is done. How business is
Okay.
done.
Okay. Okay.
Understood? No? Why I have given that example is now for this one I have given. I asked you what we do in plant. In plant, what we do. In plant, what is plant? In plant, what is the work? What is that happens in plant? In plant, it is a manufacturing plant where the manufacturing activity takes place. When I am telling plant, I have to tell where there is a manufacturing. Correct? You understood this? Hello?
I didn't get that.
No. Plant. In your company, you have a plant. You have a plant of Dover plant is there.
Yes.
So what they do in Dover plant? In Dover plant, what is that?
They are responsible for production.
Servicing.
Production. Plant means production. Plant means production unit. Where there is a production will happen. Correct?
Yes.
So plant means production. Simple. Plant means production. Where production activity will take place.
Yeah.
You understood this point?
Yeah, go ahead. Yes,
Okay, right.
yes.
Yeah. Maintenance planning plant is maintenance department. That's all. Very simple. Maintenance department is maintenance planning plant. Okay. So that also is important. We'll be creating because maintenance also, I don't know, in your maintenance plant, there is a machine shop is there. Assembly shop is there in your maintenance.
Yes.
Okay, right. So in our company also we had machining was there. Then we had assembly plant inside maintenance itself. It was a very big maintenance department. So that is the reason maintenance planning plant is a maintenance department. Okay, now tell me what is the storage location?
Yeah.
Storage location.
We are
the manufacturer.
The production is being stored.
Production only is stored. Only production?
Yeah.
Only production. There are 3 types of storage location.
Okay.
There are 3 types of storage location. One is raw material storage location, or also it is called as warehouse. Warehouse. Okay. Another is, I will just clear this. Okay. This I'll delete it. Okay. Now, so another one is raw material storage location. Then another is to semi-finished material. Semi-finished goods storage location, or we can also call that as WIP stores. You heard this name, WIP stores or transit stores. Okay. This will be, raw material is once you get the raw material from vendor, no? Vendor, you are getting the raw material, correct? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, so that you are going to store in one place. That is raw material storage location. Why warehouse? Because this here we will be keeping the maintenance space also. Maintenance where we call where. All those maintenance space and all chemicals, like all solvents, production supporting material, everything will be keeping in the warehouse. Lot of things will be keeping in the warehouse. Very big, very big. That storage location will be very, very big storage location. Okay. And semi-finished goods storage location will be inside the production department. It will be inside the production department. Okay. there is one department, there is a storage location inside the production department, which will be called as semi-finished goods storage location or WIP. WIP means work in progress. Work in progress storage location or transit stores, because the material is moving, no? So it is called as transit stores. You understood?
Okay.
Okay, then there is the last one. Now you told, no? You told finished product storage location, or we called it as FPS, finished product stores. Finished product stores means the product, our product is stored there. Whatever our product, no, it is stored there. For example, if I am manufacturing mobiles, that mobiles will be stored there, or smartphone will be stored there. If I am manufacturing shirts, like shirt I am manufacturing, wearing shirt, no, t-shirts, like that, that will be stored there. Our product will be stored there. You understood? Hello?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, right. So then, okay, now we have this purchasing organization. Purchasing organization inside the company, they will be purchasing for the company. Means all this raw material, semi-finished, sometimes semi-finished, mainly raw material, 90% raw material, then maintenance space, maintenance material, no? All those things they will be purchasing organization. And very rare cases they will be purchasing semi-finished goods also, but not finished. They will not purchase finished. If they purchase finished, it becomes a trading company. If it is a manufacturing company, they will be only purchasing raw material and semi-finished, and maintenance spares and maintenance support, production supporting materials like chemicals, solvents, all those things. You understand? Hello?
Yeah,
Okay.
too.
Then purchasing, they'll be doing purchasing activity. They'll be purchasing for the company. Okay. Now, this credit control area, I will teach you tomorrow. This is because that is at that time only I can teach. Now, if I teach, you will not understand. So I will be teaching tomorrow. Okay. So shall we close today?
Okay.
Hello. Yeah. Tell me.
That's fine.
Yeah. Tell me. Any doubts or anything? You want a clarification? Hello. Yeah. Tell me.
No doubt. No
No
doubt
doubt.
at all.
Very good.
Yeah,
I am very happy. I am very happy if you are not having doubt. My
yes.
job is very
So
simple now.